Over here.
That's right.
Kind of give me some details.
Well, it's fantastic to be here. बहुत feeling a great sense of pride क्योंकि पूरे promenade पे भारत ही भारत छाया हुआ है. India is everywhere, and I'm glad that I'm here interacting with multiple chief ministers and national ministers for all the businesses that we are doing in Bharat to create value. One of the companies that we are doing is in drone tech and drone securities, Indrajal. So we're here signing an MOU of $150 million. With the state government, and we should be wrapping that up by tomorrow morning. And aside from that, representing a bunch of interesting foundations. So the Motwani Jadeja Foundation, Professor Motwani was part of the forming Google right in the beginning. So उनके माध्यम से बहुत सारे अच्छे Indian companies, tech companies that are making us proud on a global scale. Everything from, Skyroot that is making Indian rockets. फिर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 15 तारीख को एक बहुत अच्छी कंपनी के बारे में बात की है, Digantara, that is sending satellites out of India into space. So a lot of young, brilliant minds. We have our company Pentacle, which is a fantastic infrastructure consultancy company that's bringing in ESG, SDG, into large-scale infrastructure along with governments bringing technologies from around the world into India. So Davos has been a wonderful success story and a great meeting place for us.
And which state you have signed this agreement?
This is with Telangana state. And then we are also exploring multiple avenues along with the government of Maharashtra. We've been in deep conversations with them, focusing on new cutting-edge technologies. And along with that, we've also been having a wonderful conversation. I had dinner yesterday with Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu ji, who's looking at building a global hub to bring in young tech Turks from all over the world into Amravati. So it was exciting to meet with him and discuss a partnership along with him. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu is also looking at bringing in new technology for all our Indian airports. Ashwini Vaishnav ji also we had a good meeting with. And Bhatia ji of the PIT also has been meeting a bunch of young, tech entrepreneurs who've been traveling around with me, who are staying with me at our chalet here, and interacting with them.
Timeline can you give us for that MOU? Which you
the timelines are not specific at any stage right now because these are all initial MOUs looking at exploring techno-commercial structures. So those techno-commercial structures will be explored post-Davos in India. So we will be presenting there and then taking it forward from there. So those will take a little more time as usual. But the idea is to get the first step in and get started. And it's been a wonderful experience where both from the politicians and the administrators of India, we're seeing extreme energy, extreme motivated movement to bring in these new cutting-edge technologies, and proudly they're Indian companies. So we're very, very excited and very, very humbled and honored to be a part of this movement.